Hello everybody, the Master Trader himself here from Trading Billions Academy. I'm so super excited today. I'm going to walk you through step by step on how you can get started by having an Exodus Bitcoin and crypto wallet. So this is nothing but a wallet where you keep your Bitcoins, or you can keep your coins, which is your crypto coins, any form of crypto coin that you might be having and you want where you can keep them, or maybe probably you want to make certain transactions in terms of receiving or sending bitcoins on various platforms. It might be maybe you're using a certain blocker that requires you to send their bitcoins in terms of depositing or making withdrawals by receiving bitcoins. You can actually make those transactions by just having this wallet. So that's the thing. Or maybe probably you want to send some coins to somebody, or maybe you want to receive some coins from somebody. This is one of the legit platforms I can actually introduce you to. So basically, you have to understand that you can have an app of an Exodus wallet on your Android, on your ISO, and also you can have a version of it on your desktop. So in today's video, I just want to show you on how you can actually have a desktop version that you can keep on your laptop and the likes. So the first thing that you have to do is to come on Exodus. The link is in the description below. Ensure that you also subscribe to the channel. Hit that icon bell so that you can be notified each and every time I drop a new video on this channel. So you just come here on download. When we click there on download, you can actually, like I explained, you can actually download a desktop version, a mobile version, and a web 3 wallet. So basically this one, you use it maybe on Chrome or maybe other drivers and the likes, but here you can actually have to download an app on your Apple Store and also on your Google Play Store. So basically the one that I'm showing you today is the one for the desktop version. So the moment you click there, it will show which one you want. Do you want a Mac? So in my case, I want a Windows, and it will show 64 bits, and there you go. It will start downloading from there, and from there you're just going to set everything up. So I'm going to walk you through. Let us wait for it to download first. Okay, so it's done downloading. Here you just click on the same download. The moment you just click on it, it will request for you to actually install it on your laptop. So I'm going to walk you through, after installing it on your laptop, I'm going to walk you through on how you can actually use it and on how you can actually get started with it. So it will install on your laptop, but like I earlier said, you can also link it on your mobile app, be it an iPhone, be it an Android phone. You can link it up by just downloading the app on your phone. So that's the thing. So you just wait for it to do the installation, and after the installation, just click on yes. After the installation, then you have to do the needful to get started with it. So the moment you download it, it will show here on your desktop. So basically, when it finishes to install, you come here, you click there, then you open the desktop version. So this is actually the desktop version of it. So this is how the platform will be looking. And if it's your first time, the first thing that you have to do now is to come on your settings here, so that we can get certain things started. So the first thing that you have to do is to do your backup. So if you already have a pre-existing wallet, you can actually just put in your password. But if it's your first time creating, you have to create the password. So ensure that you put the password that you are comfortable with and that you can remember. Ensure that you put a password you're comfortable with and you can remember, and a strong password. and click next. So you enter again your password. You ensure that you don't forget your password. So you have actually done the first phase, and here now you have now to enter the so the moment you enter this is the thing that is very important. Don't share these 12 letters with anyone, because the moment you share this with somebody, they can easily get your coins. So that's the thing, letters that you are going to receive. So these letters, ensure that you write them down somewhere. They are your secret code. Don't share it with somebody. Do not share it even with me. Maybe probably if I'm your mentor from Trading Billions Academy, you don't share this with anybody, because people can easily steal your bitcoins if at all you share these secrets with somebody. So just basically write them down somewhere and keep them safe. So that's the thing. So from your secret phrase, ensure that you write them somewhere and you do the needful that you have to keep. They are more like your secret code. So the moment you do that, you go on done, and they will ask you a question. For example, they ask you a question to say that which amongst these words was the number 4 word. So from here you will just have now to click on which you feel or you think according to you was the number 4 word. So and upon completing that, then you can now, if you want, you can restart your Exodus password or recovery phrase review. You can view it, but in the case whereby maybe your PC crashes or something like that, it will require you to actually enter the same words, the 12 words, in order for your crypto to be reversed. So the next thing that you have to now look into is your security. So your security, you need at least to put it after 5 minutes, which simply means automatically after 5 minutes this wallet will close for itself. It will require you to enter your password. Then you just putting it on never, which simply means anybody can have access. Anybody that has access to your laptop, if there's no password, they'll have access to your coins. They can actually send your coins. So that's the thing. So it's better off you do it, or you can actually do it manually by just closing it like that, or yes, which simply means it will require a password in order for you to enter. So you will actually put in your password, the same password that you created, and then unlock it just like that. So that's the thing. So ensure that you put it on 5 minutes and you're good to go. And here you will change the currency that you want to be using, but in our case we'll be using USD, which is the one that we are going to be using. So let's go back to our home page. So on our home page, we are now I'm going to show you on now from here we can go on review. So from here we can now go on review to try to check which coins that you want to receive or send. But basically when it comes to Exodus, it's mainly used for, you can receive or you can send, but I wouldn't advise you to actually probably take your money from your bank into your Exodus, in the sense that it's expensive, because it has to take you to another third party kind of arrangement where they have to maybe take you to MoonPay, where they'll charge you a lot of money in order for you to put money on this platform, though it is the best way and the safest way to go about it, in the sense that your coins will directly come into this wallet. But I would advise you to actually buy coins maybe using other platforms like maybe Coinbase or maybe Binance. If you have not yet watched a Binance video, now you can actually take your money from your bank into your Binance, you buy coins and send those coins into this platform, because this is the safest wallet where you can be keeping your coins. And here your coins are safe. In fact, they are more than safe. So I would advise you to do that, whereby you watch the video on how you can do those transactions. So because getting it from your bank into here, it will require you to maybe pass through MoonPay. That will be very expensive for you. But from your bank into your Binance, buying coins, it's cheap, very, very cheap. And if you buy those coins, then you can transfer them into your Exodus. I hope I'm clear over that. So you can just come here and click on a Bitcoin, which simply means, as it stands right now, I don't have anything in this account. It's 100% $0. There is nothing in this account. Bitcoins, there's completely nothing as far as Bitcoins are concerned. So if I want to send Bitcoins, I'll actually just click there and I'll actually paste the Bitcoin address here. I'll actually paste on the Bitcoin address from there. Yes. So for example, for people that are maybe probably wanting to make a transaction, as far as maybe these other blockers are concerned, you are sending coins. So you just go on Bitcoin, you'll see a Bitcoin address there that you can either scan or you can actually just put the address here and put the amount of money that you're sending and click on send. And if I want to receive Bitcoins, I'll just click on receive. I'm receiving, so this is my Bitcoin address, where somebody can just scan this and they can send coins to me. If you're watching the video and you want to support, you can go ahead and do the needful. So you just copy this link and just send your Bitcoins just like that. So that's how it works. So basically that's how you go about it as far as this opening and also on how you operate this is concerned. Hello everybody, the Master Trader himself here from Trading Billions Academy. I just want to address this issue that a lot of you are facing. For example, with this account, it has been rejecting the visa. It has been rejecting the visa itself in terms of attaching the visa. So for example, we tried yesterday, it rejected. We have tried today, it has rejected, and we are still waiting for verification for the third time, in the sense that they are requiring for you to actually do a picture of your ID, and also on a piece of paper you write the date and your name, your full names, and also sign on that paper. And beside the paper you should also put something like your ID and also your card, your visa card, on one picture and capture that. But it has still been rejecting us, for God only knows why. So the thing that we can do again is maybe probably come back here, and most of you are stuck. You want to make a deposit, so you can make a deposit using many other platforms like Bitcoins. You can actually send coins, you can actually make payments using Binance. So if you don't have a Binance account, open a Binance account, check out the video on my YouTube channel, go for it and open a Binance account. You can make a payment using Binance, and Binance is even actually cheaper, in the sense that Binance is only but 10 USD. Binance is 10 USD, and these other platforms, maybe probably you might maybe have maybe coins in your maybe Exodus wallet, and you might now want to make that transaction. But how do you go about it? If you come on Bitcoin, maybe probably you have in Bitcoins, so you actually just impute the amount that you want to actually deposit, which in the case might be maybe 50 USD, and you click on deposit, and it will show you that it's requiring you to actually copy the address. So you can either copy the address or actually scan this. I would prefer you scanning it, but in the sense that maybe probably you just want to copy the link, you just copy the address there. You click on copy address, you just click there. If you click there, then you come on your platform. You come on your platform, maybe probably your Exodus wallet. What's up? Exodus wallet here. Okay, so your Exodus wallet is open now. So the moment you come on your Exodus wallet, you can just come on Bitcoins. If you have not yet opened an Exodus wallet account, you don't know how this works, watch my Exodus a step-by-step guide on how you go about this. It's just that I don't have any money in this Exodus account wallet. So what you're going to do is you come on send. If you have Bitcoins there, you just paste the address there. Okay, you paste the address. That's the address. It will click there and you type in the amount of Bitcoins that you want. So it's just that there is not enough funds. There is not enough funds there. So wow, I've typed 50 Bitcoins. So you type there 50 USD. So if there were enough funds, you can actually now just do a send. As simple as that. The moment you do a send, you receive the money in your Blockers account, as easy as that. So that's the thing. So ensure that you watch the video on my YouTube. So the moment you open, the moment you actually download your Exodus app, it will be looking like this one. Then you click on there. So basically the home page is this one on your app. So this is our home page. So if you are just getting started, you come here on this button, the menu button, then you come on settings. There are the settings, and maybe probably if you have watched the entire video now, you open this on your desktop, you can see that some of these things are nothing but similar. So you just come directly there. You come on restore account. Yes, and on restore account, it will require your backup password, and also it will also require the 12-letter digits. So that's the thing. So basically, those are the 12 secret words that I said you shouldn't share with anybody. They are the ones that you impute there. So if you click there to say continue, then you write down the 12-letter words. So you just click on install and you just do restore. And there you go. So now the same wallet that is on your PC is the same wallet now that you will now have on your phone. So the same wallet on your PC is now the same wallet that you are now having on your phone as well. So you can start the journey by sending and making all those transactions that you would want to actually make. So those are the things that you require. Thank you so much for watching. Love you so much.